All right, let's see here. We're going to be doing some practice airbrushing. This will for sure have to be edited. So we're going to put some paint in here. I haven't practiced in a while. I've painted, but I hadn't practiced on paper. I actually have to do it with my right hand. I'm right-handed. Sorry. Eight. I think that's enough. Let's see. Put your finger on. Pull back. And it'll bubble. That way you know. Let's see how this goes. First we need to practice over on the regular sheet. If we get any paint to come out. There we go. Let's go over here and see what we got on the practice sheet. We'll start with the lines first. Come on, paint, you can come out. It's all about the air pressure, and you just have to get used to it. But I'm a beginner, so I'm having to get used to it. The problem I have is getting the right amount of air pressure with the paint so that it's consistent. That's why I have to practice. And I'm sure you're supposed to be able to do that faster than that. Way faster than that, I'm sure. Oh, trying to get, there you go. It's not as easy as it seems like it would be. It seems like it'd be super easy. But it's not for me. Now it's easier, you know, painting a whole, you know, like when you're doing a wing on an aircraft model, you know, because you can go back and forth. But this is trying to teach you how to be kind of precise. You know, say you want to get close to another color or something with your paint and your airbrush. So practice makes perfect, as they always say. I don't know if I put enough paint in there or not. What is going on here? There we go. Maybe I'm running out of paint. Maybe I am running out of paint. Let's see. Let's check over here. And also learn to hold it, you know, not really like a pencil, but kind of like a pencil. Yeah, we must be running out of paint. See, there you go. And then that's what you have to try to prevent. It's all of a sudden going from a little bit of paint to putting a ton of paint, you know, on your project. That's why we're practicing. It's definitely why we're practicing them. Let's see if we can get it on this one without putting a ton of paint on. This is harder to do than you'd think. See how my lines aren't really consistent with paint? And they're getting thicker. Oops, too much paint. And then go back. You know, which that's what you do on a project too. You would go back and forth. You have to practice. Practice, practice, practice. And then one day you'll just, you know, be able to do it and not have to practice on paper. Of course, you'll probably always want to get a paper towel or, paper to test your paint output before you put it on your